Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping back again. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick video sharing with you some of my favorite nude lip combos. 3 to be specific. So if you want to see the lip combos, stay tuned. But before you leave, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Wagwan good people, everybody good? Una alright? Una had a good day? Okay, so right now today I'm gonna show you how to do some nude lip combo. So if you don't want to see how I do the lip combo them, and if you don't like them, we're not gonna stay tuned, right? So may I get ready to do it right now. So first thing we're gonna do is,
and now we return you to our regular scheduled program in progress.
hey guys, how are you? So I hope you guys are all doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 of my favorite nude lip combo. So if you're ready, let's go. So the first one that we're going to do, let me zoom you guys in on the lips because you need to see this. Let's get really close. So the first one we're going to do is we're gonna line our lips with the, I'm gonna do my least to my most favorite. So not say least, but the one I love the most, I'll do last. So this is the MAC Chestnut pencil. So let's line up the lip. Right? Make sure you do it neatly. Okay. Okay. Nice and lined, right? So the first lipstick that we're going to use is this one by Absolute New York, and the color is, the color is terracotta, and this is how it looks. I got this from my beauty supply store. You can also find them on Amazon, but they're a little bit more on Amazon, right? So it's like a nice peachy nude color. That's how she's looking. Okay, so now you take your same chestnut pencil and you go over the line to make sure it's nice and neat. Okay. All right. That's looking good, right? We can leave it like this, or we can get a gloss. So I'm going to put a gloss. This is the Sephora lipstick, and this is number 2. So we're going to put this on top. And it's a plumping gloss. Right? Right? So you can use a lip brush. So you can get a lip brush and make the lines look very, very neat. But I think we did good. So that's number 1. It's a little bit tingly, the lipstick, but that's the first one. What do you think? You like it? Very affordable too, except that MAC Chestnut pencil. I don't know what's going on, but it's high. So that's number 1. Let's get on to the second one. Let's do the next one. So We left on our lip liner. Some of it is there, so we'll just refreshen it. We'll just refresh it. All right. And I like to overline my lips slightly. Okay. Now the next lipstick that we're going to use, this is one of my favorites. This is by L'Oreal. And this is number 171. I've used this one before, but you know, we're going to change up things a little bit. So it's like a peachy, another peachy nude color, but it's slightly different from the other one. It's not the same. You see the color? Mm-hmm. All right. You know, we always go back over the liner, the lip with the liner. Okay. So that's looking good. Right. So for this one, we're going to use this lip gloss from e.l.f. Right, it's kind of peachy too. It's called Coral Kiss. So we're going to put that one on top. You don't need the gloss for any of these, but you know, we just use the gloss. I like the gloss. All right. So that's number 2. What do you think? You like it? Mm-hmm. She's cute, right? Very cute. Okay, so this is the last one. So we'll take our foundation brush and just go around the lips to make sure that, you know, it's nice and you didn't take any of your makeup off. So this is my favorite one. This is the last one. So this is MAC Chestnut again. Right? Take your time. Okay. All right. Get it in the corners. Alrighty, so now for this one, what I'm going to do is take the Limitless Brown by Makeup Forever, and we're going to put that one on top of this one, because this one is very chocolatey and this one is a little bit lighter, more like a reddish brown, right? Okay. So that's how she's looking. Now we're going to take Patrick Ta. This is in Flushed. You guys have seen me use this one, but you know, we're doing a video for 3 most favorite. All right, so they're all nude, but they're all different shades of nude. This one was high, $32, okay? And I like the package because it's like it's kind of like a mirror. You can use it. You could actually see your lips in there. All right. So this one kind of have more like a pinky, slight pinky undertone. All right. Now we're going to take the matte pencil and go back over that again. You'll see. Slightly. All right. Now for this one, I'm going to take Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Guava. Guava. And put on top. Okay, so now let's make her, you know, I really should use my lip brush, but this worked just as fine. Just take it and we're just going to perfect the liner. So that is number 3, número 3. So that's the third one. Let me know which one you like better. Okay, do you like the first one, the second one, or this one? This one is my fave for now. So that's it, guys. Those are my favorite nude lip combo. Let me know what your favorite lip combo is. Leave it down in the comment section. Let's talk about it. And that's my video for today. Just like that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoy this quick little video of showing you my favorite lip combos. Again, guys, leave me some feedback and let me know what you think. If you like them, let me know. Let me know what your favorite one is, or if you like all of them, let me know. Or if you don't like any of them, let me know. Again, if you like the video and you love my content, remember to give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, also turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.